Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are putting two industry giants, which is Zoho versus Salesforce. Which one has the features, pricing, and performance to power your growth? So let's begin. Let's start with Zoho. It is a global software company that provides a suite of cloud-based applications and tools from CRM, mail, books, desk, and projects. The company's solutions over a wide range of business needs, including all of these. Now, if you're interested to know about the pricing, you just have to click the Explore All Products. And from here, we're going to create our account using the CRM, which is click the Try Now button. And from here, all we have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions. You'll get a 15-day free trial. You should be able to receive an email from Zoho that you have successfully created your account. And from there, you should be able to access all the key features and products of Zoho. They have the CRM, mail, desk, assist, social, books, analytics, and creator. Of course, what we're going to do right now is click the CRM. All right, and we will be forwarded to the main dashboard. Just wait for it to load. Now, once you have access to the Zoho CRM, which is for the customer relationship management, you would notice that you have the top corners where you can access all of these tools. You have the leads, wherein you can contact the lead management that has a centralized storage of information, including contact details right here, interaction history and preferences, and the lead tracking from initial inquiry to conversions. All right. You also have the option for the reports, wherein you can generate report depending on the filter or the purposes of the report that you want to generate. You can access the deals, right? Task, if you have that, especially for working with multiple people right here. If the meetings right here, even calls, campaigns. If you want to create a campaign, it's very easy. All you have to do is just fill in as much as information as you can. You can also edit the page layout if you want it for full customizable, which is suitable for businesses of all sizes, from startups to enterprises. And once you've filled in all the information here, all you have to do is click on save and close. But we're going to cancel that for now, right? I want you to click the projects right here if you have connected the Zoho projects to create an associate projects here in Zoho CRM, so you can track and deliver to maybe your client or to your organization. If you click this marketplace right here, you would have an access to the integrations, which has seamless with other Zoho applications and other third-party integrations like Gmail, Google, Cloud Talk, and a lot more. All right. If you click the view all, you should be able to get some tools for sharing notes, tagging, and communication, which also has the features to foster teamwork. They also offer the built-in chat and call options for immediate communication. All right. So most of the industries like retail, healthcare, real estate, IT, department, and education, helping business improves, are the target of a Zoho CRM because it generates and drives revenue for them. Now, if you go to our next contender, which is Salesforce, which is a leading cloud-based software company specializing in customer relationship management, CRM solutions, because it offers a suite of tools designed to help businesses manage customer relationships, sales, marketing, service, and more. All right, so you have all of these options for you. Now, if you want to create your account here, it's very easy. All you have to do is click the Salesforce and you would be forwarded to the login. If you haven't already, click the Try for Free button. And from here, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions. Once successful, you should be able to receive a welcome email from Salesforce, and all you have to do is log in using your credentials. You should be able to access the main dashboard if you want to skip that. Now, you would notice that one of the key features of Salesforce is the customer relationship management tools, which is going to be the CRM dashboard right here. You have the leads, opportunities, recent record, and a lot more. If you hover down on the left hand panel of your dashboard, you have the contacts. You can put in as much as many contacts as you want. All right, you can import, send list email, add to cadence, and assign label. All right, you can hover here on these options. If you go to the accounts, you would notice that you have an option to add your own account. If you have, say, for example, a targeted audience that you wanted to be part of the CRM, you can also add them here. You can import or you can add a new one manually by clicking on this button. All right, put all of the information here and you're good. If you go to the sales, now the Sales Cloud is a tool for managing sales activities, pipelines, and performance because it offers forecasting, lead scoring, and opportunity tracking. If you want to dismiss, if you click on the add lead, similarly to the add accounts, you may be able to do that here, add a lead. And if you have a bulk information of data, you might want to click on the import button. Now on the left side is going to be the service. This is the Salesforce Service Cloud, which offers the customer service and support platform for case management and issue resolution. For example, it would include live chat, knowledge base, and omni-channel support. You have the cases, open cases, and service cases here. You can put in the status for priority, or maybe I'm urgent or not urgent. All right, so that's that. And the last is going to be the Commerce Cloud, which gives you the e-commerce solutions for creating personalized shopping experiences. You have an integration of online and offline sales channels. The last is going to be the Outreach, which we will be covering in a separate video. As you may notice that one of the key benefits of Salesforce is that it has a comprehensive platform that covers end-to-end business needs from sales to marketing to service. It's very highly adaptable to specific business processes and industries, and of course, it has an extensive marketplace and community for support, tools, and add-ons. So, if you are a big mid-range size of a company or a large enterprise, you might want to use a Salesforce as your best go-to CRM. On the other hand, you choose a Zoho if you're like a startup or a small business kind of industry. Of course, if budget is a significant concern and if you want to have a straightforward solution with good integration to Zoho apps. Because as you can see, you have the access to all these, right? CRM, marketing, forms, and a lot more. If you are a fan or already a user of Zoho ecosystem, you might want to choose a Zoho instead of Salesforce. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.